Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 8.3 from trigonometry. Before I start the question, just remember few formula. So what are the formulas for this chapter? Sine 90 degree minus theta or A equals to cos A. Okay, first, then second, cos 90 degree minus A equals to sine A. Means this, if this side is sine, so this side is cos. This side is cos, this side is sine. Okay. Same for tan and cot also. Tan 90 degree minus A equals to cot A, and cot 90 degree minus A equals to tan A. Okay. The third one, sine here, cos here, tan here, cot here. So what are the rest? Sec and cosec. So sec 90 degree minus A equals to cosec A, and the last one, cosec 90 degree minus A equals to sec A. So you just have to remember this 6 formulas for this to solve this exercise 8.3. Mainly just 3, because if you will remember 3, this 3 will automatically you can understand. Correct? So here sine, here cos, tan, then cot, sec, then cosec. Cos, then sine, cot, then tan, cosec, then sec. Okay? Now let's start one by one. So first, what is the first question? First. Sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree. Okay. In last chapter 8.2, we just learned about 5 degrees: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Correct? And here see, here can be anything less than 90. Okay. So here sine 18 minus cos 72, that we have to evaluate. Okay. Now see, sine 18, we can see here this 18 plus 72 equals to what? 90. If 2 degree sum is 90 degree, so we can use this formula. Okay. So instead of 18, can we write 90 minus 72? Correct? So 90 minus 72 is what? 18. Correct? By this here cos 72. Correct? Now sine 90 minus theta. Just imagine this is theta. So sine 90 minus theta equals to what? Cos theta. So instead of this sine 90 minus 72, can we write cos 72? Yes, because sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. And here this is cos 72. Correct? So this is cancelled and the answer is 1. Easy, right? So if you will remember this formula, it's very easy. Correct? Now the second one, tan 26 degree by cot 64 degree. Here also see, 26 plus 64 is 90 degree. Means again we have to apply this formula. So let's convert tan into cot. So tan 26, can we write 90 minus 64? Yes. By here what? Cot 64. Okay. So now tan 90 minus theta equals to what? Cot theta. Means cot 64. What is theta here? 64. So cot 64 by cot 64. Again same cancel. So this is what? Correct? Easy, right? Now the third one. Cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Okay. Now see, the sum of these two angles is 48 plus 42 is 90. Correct? Means again same formula. So you can convert this into sine or this into cos. It's up to you. So let's convert this into sine. So cos 48 means what? 90 degree minus 42 degree. Correct? Means 48. And here this is minus 42. So sine 42. Correct? Now this cos 90 minus theta means what? Cos theta, sorry, sine theta, sine 42 degree minus this sine 42 degree. So this is same, plus this and minus this means cancel, means 0. Right? Now the fourth one. Cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Okay? Here also we can see 31 plus 59 is 90 degree. Correct? So again same formula. So cosec 31, instead we can write 90 minus 59 minus sec 59 degree. Correct? So now cosec 90 minus theta is what? Sec theta. Correct? So this is sec theta is what? 59. And here sec 59. So sec 15 plus sec 59 minus sec 59 means again 0. Right? So question number 1 done now. Now question number 2. 2 of 1. What is that? Show that tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree equals to 1. We have to prove. Okay? Now we can see here 48 plus 42. The sum of 48 and 42 is 90. And here also we can see this 23 and 67 is 90. Correct? So we have to convert this into cot and this also into cot. Okay? And let's see. So instead of tan 48, can we write tan 90 minus 42? Because 48 equals to 90 minus 42. Now tan 23. So for that, can we write tan, instead of 23, can we write 90 minus 67? Correct? And this too, I will write just as it is, means tan 42 and this is tan 67. Okay? Now, tan 90 minus theta equals to what? Cot theta. So just write cot 42 degree. Again, tan 90 minus theta equals to what? Cot theta. Again, cot theta is 67 into, write as it is, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. Correct? Now, cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta is opposite of tan theta. Correct? So instead of cot 42 degree, can we write 1 by tan 42 degree? Correct? Now, cot 67 degree means 1 by tan 67 degree into this as it is tan 42 and this is tan 67. Correct? So this is tan 42 degree. This is also tan 42 degree. Cancel. This is also cancel. So 1 by 1, that means 1. Correct? So the answer is 1. Okay? Now the second one, cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sine 38 degree into sine 52 degree equals to 0. Okay? Now see, here sine is here, sine is here. If I will convert this into sine, means this cos 38 will convert into sine some theta and this also sine some theta, and we'll see this is equals or not. If these are equals, so means we can say this is equals to 0, which we have to prove. Okay, now let's see. This 38 plus 52 is 90, correct? And again same here, 52 plus 38 is 90. So let's convert this. Okay, so cos, instead of 38 can be write 90 minus what, 52, correct? And this cos 52 means cos 90 minus 38, correct? And that this one as it is, just we will write down sine 38 degree into sine 52 degree. Okay, now cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, so sine 52 degree into cos 90 minus theta is again sine theta, so sine 38 degree, theta is what, 38 degree, minus this as it is sine 38 into sine 52. Okay, so see here, sine 32 into sine 52 degree, here also sine 38 into sine 52 degree, so cancel and it's 0. So it's done now, proved, right? Easy, correct? Now the third one. What is the third? If tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is equate angle. This 2a is equate angle means this is 90 degree, means 2a is less than 90 degree. Okay, find the angle of a equals to, we have to find out a equals to what. Okay, now let's convert in one single trigonometric ratio. Okay, so instead of tan 2a, can we write tan or tan theta equals to what, cot 90 minus theta, so cot 90 minus 2a. So tan theta equals to, we just wrote cot 90 minus theta. Okay, equals to this also cot, as it is I will just write down a minus 18 degree. Okay, now here we can see cot 90 minus 2a equal to cot a minus 90, means angle will be same, correct? Because both side is cot, so angle will be same, so we can say 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18. Okay, now let's solve it. This 2a will go this side, so it will become 3a equals to 90 will come this, sorry, 18 will come that side, so 90 plus 18. Okay, now 3a equals to what, 8 and 108, correct? So a equals to 3 3s are 9 and 18, 3 6 are 18, so a equals to 36 degree. Find the value of a, so a is 36. Okay, correct? Now the fourth one. It is fourth, if tan a equals to cot b, prove that a plus b is 90 degree. That we have to prove. Okay, now let's convert this again by same formula. Okay, so tan a, what we can write, what is tan theta? Tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, correct? So cot 90 minus a. Okay, and this side same as it is cot b. Okay, so now cot 90 minus a equals to cot b. That means we can say 90 minus a equals to b. Okay, so also this a will go this side, so a plus b equals to 90 degree, correct? So the same thing we have to prove, right? This one. So this is done, correct? Now the fifth one. What is fifth? Sec 4a. If sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4A is an equate angle. Same, 4A is less than 90 degree. Correct? Like this. Find the value of A. A we have to find. So this all are same almost. Correct? Here also, instead of sec theta, what we can write? Cosec 90 minus theta. So for this we will write cosec 90 degree minus 4A. Correct? And this side as it is cosec A minus 20. Okay? Now this here also cosec 90 minus 4A, here also cosec A minus 20, means theta will be equal. Correct? So 90 minus 4A equals to A minus 20. So we can also write this 4A will go that side. So 4A plus A equals to 90 plus 20. Correct? That means 4A plus A, 5A equals to 90 plus 20, 110. That means A equals to 5 2s are 10 and again 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 22. So the value of A is 22. Okay, easy, right? Now next, 6th number. Let's solve it here. What is 6? If A, B and C are interior angle of a triangle ABC, means we have one triangle ABC and they are telling if A, B and C are interior angle, means inside of this triangle. Interior angle of triangle ABC, then show that some value like sine B plus C by 2 equals to cos A by 2. That we have to prove. Okay. So if A, B and C are the angles of a triangle, so what we can get? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to what? 180 degree. Because the sum of angles of a triangle are 180 degree. Correct? So that means we can say A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Okay. Now we have to put B plus C in one side. Okay. So just put this in one side. So B plus C equals to what? 180 degree, and this A will go that side. So minus A. Okay. Next what we have to calculate? By 2. B plus C by 2. So we will divide by 2 both side. Okay. Now B plus C by 2 equals to 180 minus A by 2. Correct? Or what we can write? 180 minus A means what? 180 by 2 minus A by 2. Correct? Or we can write 180 by 2 means what? 90 minus A by 2. That means B plus C by 2 equals to 90 minus A by 2. Okay. Now apply which? Sine theta, because we have to calculate sine B plus C by 2. So apply sine both side. Okay. So here sine B plus C by 2 equals to, here also sine 90 minus A by 2. Okay. So now sine B plus C by 2 equals to this. Sine 90 minus theta equals to what? Cos theta. So this is cos and theta is what? A by 2. Okay. So the same thing we have to prove, right? So this is done now. Proved. Right? Now the last question of this exercise, question number 7. Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratio of angles between 0 and 45. So this here angle is 67, here this is 75. So we have to make between 0 and 45. Okay. So let's convert this. So instead of sine 67 degree, can we write sine 90 minus what? 3 and 2, 23, correct? Instead of 67, we just wrote 90 minus 23. And for this cos, here also 90 minus what is 75? 90 minus 15 is 75. So we just wrote 75 into 90 minus 15 and 67 into 90 minus 23. Okay. Now, what is sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. So cos 23 plus what is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. So this is sine 15. So now see, this 25 is between 0 and 45. Here also this 15 is between 0 and 45. So this is the answer. Okay. So this exercise 8.3 has been done now. If you have any doubt in this exercise, please write your comments in the comment section. Also, like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.